Hello, Seven Garnet. Hello, sir. I am Addison Label and Tablante, and I will be vlogging about baking tools. These are all the baking tools I found in our house. A mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, a rubber scraper, a bread pan, a rectangular pan, a measuring cup, a liquid measuring cup, a cake slicer, a strainer, and a round pan. This is a mixing bowl. It is used to mix ingredients. It is used with a wooden spoon and a rubber scraper. These are dry measuring cups. It is used to measure dry ingredients like salt, sugar, flour, baking powder, and baking soda. This is a liquid measuring cup. It is used to measure liquid ingredients like milk, water, melted butter, and oil. This is a strainer. It is used for sifting sugar, salt, flour, baking powder, and baking soda. These are all the pans used for baking. If you wanna make bread, use a bread pan. If you wanna make a rectangular cake, use a rectangular pan. But if you wanna make a round cake, use a round pan. This is the end of my vlog about baking tools. I am Addison Lay of 7 Garnet. Bye!